Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings. Make sure your iPhone is running a recent iOS and cellular is enabled so measurements are live. Once done, tap Cellular or Mobile Data to open the usage view. You want the screen that lists current period and per app usage because that's the real-time meter of what apps consume cellular data. This step gets you to the numbers quickly so you can act on high-usage apps instead of guessing. Now scroll through the list to see how many MB or GB each app used. This shows the how and why behind spikes. Make sure you're reading the current period, not the lifetime section. It resets only when you tap Reset Statistics. Also inspect system services to find background data and Wi-Fi assist, which can switch to cellular when Wi-Fi is weak. Understanding these details tells you whether an app or the system is responsible for usage. To finish, toggle off cellular for any high-usage apps or turn off background app refresh to reduce passive data. If you want a clean baseline, tap Reset Statistics at the bottom and note the date. That gives you an exact tracking window versus your billing cycle. If numbers look wrong after restarting and toggling settings, the key troubleshooting tip is to reboot your iPhone and update iOS. This often resolves reporting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.